In this video, I'll show you how to replace the cabin filters in a Volkswagen Passat B7 with a liter engine. We'll need a cabin filter like this one. The charcoal filter has enhanced, which is charcoal, has enhanced antibacterial protection. It looks like this. And let's get started with the replacement. To start, you need to access it from the right side of the car, since it's the passenger side. And here at the bottom, on the black background, there are two small plugs, like this. Here's one. Here's the second one. You need to unscrew them counterclockwise. They unscrew easily. They look like this. Try not to lose them. After that, just pry this part up and take it out. Down. It looks like this. Here, underneath, there's a container. You need to take it out with the filter. We take this container, slide it to the right until it stops, and take it out. You can see there's a bit of dust here. It needs to be washed. Then we pull out the filter itself, which is located there. Here.
By the way, surprisingly, the filter isn't very dirty.
Let's wash it. Here is the sealing water plug.
After that, we insert the new filter into its place. We place the retaining bracket in position, and we gently push it to the left to secure it. Suddenly, just a click. There it is in its place. After that, we will insert this decorative cover.
And we tighten it into place.
Two little screws.
Made of plastic.